Hey lovelies, welcome back to another new video. This is Nishika Jain again with you all. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you that how you can make a folder using newspaper, which will be very hard and compact. So let's get started with the first process. You have to take a newspaper. I'm taking here Dainik Bhaskar cause it's a little hard paper and a big paper. Now you have to fold it in one half from the right to the left. It's not visible because I'm not having adequate space. Like this. You got it. Woo. Now you have to measure one finger from the upper side of the newspaper and fold it. Fold the newspaper in one more half like this. Leave one finger space from the upside. Now take a stapler and apply it on the corners. Please don't go so deep, apply it on the corners because if you'll not apply on the corners, you can face problem further. Now you have to make two holes, one right here and one right here, a little big from the uh, your finger. Uh, please make the hole on the two pages of the starting, not on the last. Now, if you are not having cutter available at your home, fold like this and make a small cut using scissors. Now, fold in the opposite way and make a little more cut, and it will be wider. Now, do the same with the second hole also. Now I have decorated it. Take a small strip and stick it on the upper side, and then make it look like this as I'm doing. Like this. Now you can see I have decorated it with a heart because no one is gonna see. No decoration is important. Now I am applying a bead on the last one. It is important because to lock it. If you are not having a bead, you can take any object that is in a 3D position like this. I have applied my bead and uh, like this process it will be closed. I'm putting my craft papers in it. You can put any files and trust me it's gonna be super hard. No harm will be there to your file or anything you're gonna put in it. I have put in my craft papers in it and I'm blocking it. Here you go with a perfect folder. So do you also think that this one is more better than these one and more easy to make at your home? So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and tell me in the comment section what do you want next. And remember that the first comment would get a shout out in my next video. So bye lovelies.